I tested positive for COVID-19. I've had 2 doses of the Moderna vaccine. My wife Ivy and I have been careful to wear masks and keep our social distance. Healthcare workers are naturally at higher risk for infectious diseases. Hand washing and personal protective equipment are mandatory for everyone doing patient care during the pandemic. Our clinic does weekly COVID-19 surveillance testing of all employees to catch infections before they spread. In spite of that, I tested positive for COVID-19. This is called a breakthrough infection. I didn't have any symptoms, but with a documented infection had to isolate at home for 10 days. I unknowingly exposed some good friends, my wife's grandparents, and some of my family I hadn't seen in a long time. Luckily, all were vaccinated, and all of them tested negative for COVID-19. Keeping distant from my wife was tricky, and I wouldn't want to repeat that experiment. I was doing hospital work the week before. I had several patients with serious COVID-19 infections on ventilators in the intensive care unit. I saw them every day, and I was careful with personal protective equipment and hand washing in the hospital. I was in the ICU for a brief time each day. The ICU nurses spend long shifts and sometimes double shifts with patients who are very sick. Having COVID-19, when I know what it's capable of, really made me think about what is truly important. I've seen how sick people can get, and I see what it does to their families. No one went to medical school or nursing school with plans for working in a global pandemic. I'm grateful to do what I do. I'm grateful to work side by side with people who went to school to make everyone's lives better. I'm grateful for the COVID-19 vaccine. Preventing severe illness and hospitalization is what it was made to do, and that's exactly what it did with me. The vaccine protected those people most important to me. Remember to call an elder. They've been waiting for your call. And while you're at it, thank a nurse. I'm Dr. Arne Vainio, and this is Health Matters.